Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create flowcharts in Whimsical in 2026. Whether you're planning a workflow, mapping a process, or organizing ideas, Whimsical makes it fast and simple. So let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, click *** new board * and choose ** flowchart * to create a new project. Now click anywhere on the canvas to add your first shape. You can choose from rectangles, diamonds, circles, and other flowchart symbols depending on your needs. Next, connect your shapes by dragging from one connection point to another. Whimsical automatically creates clean connector lines, making your diagram look organized. To customize your flowchart, click on any shape to change the text, color, size, or style. You can also move elements around, and the layout updates smoothly. Once your flowchart is finished, click the ** share * button to invite others or copy a link. You can also export your diagram as an image or PDF if you need to use it somewhere else. And that's it. You've successfully created your first flowchart in Whimsical. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.